Hi, this is Anya with AnswerRocket. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your data to AnswerRocket using Spark SQL and start asking questions. AnswerRocket is a Google search for enterprise data. You can connect AnswerRocket to any data source and get answers from enterprise data by simply asking. Spark is a fast and general engine for big data processing with built-in modules for streaming, SQL, machine learning, and graph processing. AnswerRocket uses Spark SQL to allow non-technical users to do big data discovery and visualization using natural language. Future plans include integrating with MLlib to make machine learning algorithms accessible through natural language. Our demo dataset is based on a national retail chain with 300 stores. We have 1.5 million transactions between 2013 and 2015 for 1,300 products. Through AnswerRocket, we're going to connect to our data in Spark, configure the domain model, and ask questions in natural language. To get started, we're going to load our CSV files into the Spark environment. For this demo, we use the Linux scp command to copy the files to all the nodes in the Spark cluster. Once they have been copied to all the nodes in the cluster, we created views within Spark SQL for each of the CSV files. Now I'm ready to connect my data to AnswerRocket. This is the main Q&A page to which we will return to after configuration. First, I'm going to go to the data screen. I'm going to select my host and my port, and then I'm going to select my schema. AnswerRocket is now analyzing the tables and pulling in the data. We now need to add a domain model on top of the data to translate natural language into data fields. First, I'm going to add the transactions table. Then I'm going to add sales as a metric. By the end of this process, I have the sales for each product by store and date. Now that I've set up the domain model, I can start asking questions. I'm going to go back to the Q&A page. I can use speech-to-text functionality to ask, what was the comp sales growth this year? This shows me that my growth for same-store sales was 3% in 2015. I can further split this out by adding by store. Majority of these stores have positive growth, with a few stores struggling. The clear leader is store number 3328, with a comp sales growth of 11% this year. Now I want to ask about the kinds of brands and products that do well at this store. I'm going to clear the search box and type, what were the best-selling brands in store number 3328 last month? At the top of this list is Central Market, followed by T&G and Acme. I'm going to select Central Market and drill down by product. Not surprisingly, the best-selling products are milk and eggs. To see more information on this question, I can look at the data certificate. This tells me exactly how each word in my question was mapped to a data object, what data sources were used, and the actual Spark SQL that AnswerRocket generated. I can also head over to the Spark console and see how my question was processed. Using AnswerRocket with Spark, you can connect to and ask questions of your data. Thanks for watching. To learn more, request a demo at answerrocket.com.